Welcome. Let's talk about geography. The first question, what is geography? So, Eratosthenes, the father of geography, he coined the term geography. He said that geography is a combination of two words, geo and graphy. Geo means earth and graphy means to write about. So basically, to write about earth is called geography. In the modern context, geography is the study of the earth by considering earth as a home of human being. So on the surface of the earth, there are two kinds of phenomena which can be found. One is natural phenomena and other is human phenomena. So based on that, there are two approaches to study geography. One is physical geography and other is human geography. If you study the phenomena created by nature, then it is called as physical geography. For example, if you study mountain system, if you study river, if you study ocean, they are created by nature, then that kind of a study is called as physical geography. On the other hand, if you study the phenomena created by human being, for example, if you study urban settlement, if you study rural settlement, if you study the dam, if you study the boundary between India and Pakistan, then this kind of a study which are created by human being are called human geography. So if you look at two different approach, one aspect is systematic geography and other aspect is regional geography. So what is systematic geography? If you study, there are many topics in geography. If you take one specific topic and you study that specific topic with respect to many regions of the world, then it is called as systematic geography. For example, if you study rivers of North America, if you study rivers of South America, rivers of Asia, rivers of Australia, rivers of many places, then that kind of a study is systematic geography. On the other hand, if you study many topics of geography with respect to only one specific region, then that kind of a study is called as regional geography. For example, if you study population, you study rivers, dams, climate, etc. with respect to only India, then that kind of a study is regional geography. So let's take one topic of geography, and the first topic is internal structure of the earth. So why we need to study this topic, interior of the earth? Just because like you find on the surface of the earth, there are many features on the surface of the earth. Like you will find the mountain range, mountain system, hills, rivers, ocean, islands, peninsula, etc. Many features. And if you want to understand and appreciate many features on the surface of the earth, you just have to some understanding what is below the earth, what is inside the earth, and that is why we need to study what is inside the earth, internal structure of the earth. So as far as knowledge is concerned, in various books it is written that earth is a layered structure and there are three main layers of the earth. One is crust, mantle and core. The uppermost portion, uppermost layer of the earth is crust, the middle portion is mantle and the innermost portion is core. How much is the depth? So radius of the earth, it is estimated that radius of the earth is 6,370 kilometers. So if you travel up to that portion, you will find the core area. So it is agreed by many scholars that up to average 33 kilometers from the surface of the earth, you will find the crust, the uppermost portion of the interior structure, crust, and from 33 kilometer depth to 2900 kilometer depth, you will find mantle, and from 2900 kilometer to 6,370 kilometer, you will find the main core area of the earth. So these three layers. So at 33 kilometer between crust and mantle, there is a boundary which is separating crust and mantle, which is called as Moho boundary. So Moho boundary separate crust and mantle. At 2900 kilometer, you will find another boundary which is separating mantle and core, which is Gutenberg boundary. So Gutenberg boundary is separating mantle and core. Likewise, there are layer in the layer. So